Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the motion photo or live photo in this device. Okay, for this open the camera app. So on the top right side you can see one icon. Let me show the closer view. You can see this is for the motion photo or the live photo. If you are not able to get this icon here, go to the camera settings. So here you can see that icon you can see here. Tap on this one. Now motion photo is enabled in this device. So now I am going to take a photo. Just wait. I'm going to make a photo. Yeah. Again I am going to make a photo. Yeah. Now open the recent photos. Otherwise you can directly go to your gallery. Okay. Tap on this one. So you can see view motion photo. Front view. This is for only the 3 second, and this one the second photo you can see. Okay, so simply in this way we can enable the motion photo or the live photo in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.